Ever wondered how you can grow your favorite plants without soil and have total control over their nutrition? Welcome to the world of hydroponic gardening, a method that might sound futuristic, but is rooted in age-old practices and brimming with potential. Imagine setting up your hydroponic system. You might opt for a deep water culture, nutrient film technique, or drip systems. Each has its unique advantages, so pick one that best suits your space and needs. Now comes the lighting. High-quality LED or fluorescent lights are your best bet to mimic the natural sunlight your plants crave. Before you start planting, remember that cleanliness is paramount. Preventing the growth of harmful pathogens begins with a clean and sanitized system. Next, whether you choose seeds or seedlings, ensure they are of the highest quality, ready to thrive in your hydroponic garden. Growing your plants is an art and a science. Controlling the environment is key, maintaining an optimal temperature, humidity, and ventilation. A consistent lighting schedule is also crucial, often 16 hours of light per day for leafy greens. Nutrient management might sound daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Regularly measure the electrical conductivity of your nutrient solution with a handheld EC meter and monitor pH levels to ensure nutrient availability. Don't forget to replace the nutrient solution every 1 to 2 weeks. Invest in quality EC and pH meters for accurate readings and calibrate them as per the manufacturer's instructions. Regular checks of nutrient levels allow you to adjust the concentration as needed. Understanding plant nutrition is crucial. Different plants require varied nutrients at different growth stages. Be aware of the importance of primary nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as micronutrients. Beware of bacterial canker. Prevent infections with strict hygiene measures and regularly clean and disinfect all equipment. If you suspect bacterial canker, isolate the affected plants immediately. Watering is another critical aspect. Monitor moisture levels with a meter and avoid overwatering, which can lead to root diseases. Adjust your flood and drain intervals based on your plant's growth stage. Care for your hydroponic towers by inspecting them regularly for clogs, nutrient solution flow, and root health. Regular cleaning prevents nutrient buildup and clogs. Keep a close eye on plant development, adjusting nutrient levels and environmental conditions as needed. Depending on the plant type, implement training and pruning techniques to encourage optimal growth. In summary, hydroponic gardening might seem complex, but with a clear understanding of the basic steps and regular monitoring, it becomes an exciting and rewarding journey. Embrace the future of gardening and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Ready to embark on your hydroponic journey? Let's introduce you to your perfect companion, the Cangro Hydrozen hydroponic system. This advanced system simplifies the hydroponic process with its automated nutrient management, easy-to-use controls, and adaptable environment settings. And with the trusted Cangro agri-food stamp of quality, you can be sure you're investing in the best. With Cangro Hydrozen, your hydroponic gardening will be a breeze. Start your hydroponic journey with Cangro Hydrozen today.